Israel's ultimatum to Iran: we will finish this before Trump's term ends. That's right, you heard that right. A senior Israeli official has dropped a bombshell and is shaking the entire Middle East. According to reports from Israel Khan News, Tel Aviv has set a bold, dangerous, and crystal clear goal. And that goal is to topple the Iranian regime before Trump's term in the office ends. That's not speculation, that's a mission statement. And here's where things stand. Tensions between Israel and Iran, they are no longer simmering, they are boiling over. After the 12-day war earlier this particular week, a brutal exchange that saw thousands dead on both the sides. The gun may have fallen silent, but only for now, because inside military command rooms, both nations are arming up for round 2. According to Israeli sources, Iran is rebuilding its missile stockpile, the same one that was largely destroyed due to the June war. In the meantime, Tehran's engineers, they are working day and night, racing to restore their ballistic and nuclear capabilities, and that too faster, deadlier, and more accurate than ever before. And Israel here, it is watching every launch pad, every underground bunker, every suspicious shipment. Well, you know what? The message from Jerusalem is loud and clear. Next time, the response will be far more aggressive, and unlike before, it won't stop in 12 days. This isn't just rhetoric. Security analysts say that Israel is now preparing for a long, drawn-out confrontation, one that could define the next decade of the Middle East power politics. And in the meantime, the New York Times confirmed what many feared. Iran has massively ramped up missile production. Its goal is to unleash 2,000 missiles in just one wave, enough to overwhelm Israel's Iron Dome and Davis Sling defense system. And make no mistakes here, this is not just about missiles, right? It's about revenge. It's about unfinished business. Israel says that June's campaign didn't destroy Iran's nuclear capability, not completely. So it is preparing for what it calls the final round. On the other hand, Iran says that it is all ready. Its generals claim that their defenses are stronger than ever, and their drones can now reach any missile city, and that too within minutes. But there's one chilling statement from analysts that sums it all up. Israel feels that the job is unfinished, Iran feels humiliated, and both the sides are now gearing up for the serial.